Unlocking the Secrets of Gluten Development, a Baker's Guide. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that's crucial for both amateur and professional bakers: gluten development. Understanding this concept is essential for mastering the art of baking, and today, we're going to break it down for you. Whether you're an English language learner or a baking enthusiast, this video will help you grasp what gluten development is and why it's so important. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what gluten is. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and rye. When you mix flour with water, the gluten proteins begin to form a network, giving dough its elastic and stretchy texture. This process is what we refer to as gluten development. It's the backbone of many baking recipes, from bread to pastries, and it's what gives these items their structure and chewiness. Now, you might be wondering, why is gluten development important? The development of gluten affects the texture, volume, and appearance of baked goods. Proper gluten development can mean the difference between a loaf of bread that's light and airy or dense and heavy. It's all about finding the right balance, as too much or too little gluten development can greatly alter the end product. Controlling gluten development is key to successful baking. There are several factors that can affect this process. The type of flour. High-protein flours, like bread flour, develop more gluten, making them ideal for chewy breads. Lower protein flours, like cake flour, result in tender cakes and pastries. Water. The amount of water added to the dough can increase gluten development, as it hydrates the proteins and helps form the gluten network. Kneading. The process of kneading dough stretches and aligns the gluten proteins, strengthening the gluten network. However, over-kneading can lead to tough baked goods. Resting. Allowing dough to rest gives gluten time to relax, making it easier to shape and preventing it from becoming too tight or tough. For those who are gluten-sensitive or have celiac disease, gluten-free baking is an alternative. Gluten-free baking involves using alternative flours and binders, such as rice flour, almond flour, and xanthan gum, to mimic the texture and structure that gluten provides in traditional baking. We hope this video has shed some light on the mystery of gluten development and its pivotal role in baking. Whether you're experimenting with your own recipes or simply looking to understand more about the food you eat, knowing about gluten can enhance your appreciation for the baking process. Remember, baking is both an art and a science, and understanding the ingredients you work with is key to mastering it. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.